Ultimate Guide to launch a WordPress website. 1. Set up your domain name and hosting provider. Domain is the name of your website and hosting is where your website files are stored. Although WordPress is free, you must use a web hosting service for your site to be available on the internet. Step 2. Install WordPress. It's time to install WordPress. This is something you can do directly through your hosting dashboard. Depending on the provider, installation will be one click or manual. Step 3. Choose your WP theme. A theme is a website template. It controls how your site looks, as well as how it functions and what it comes out of the box capable of. You can install free themes from WordPress theme directory. Step 4. Install necessary plugins. You need to install and activate all required plugins, which help expand the functionality of WordPress. These plugins make your website look nicer and work better. Step 5. Configure important settings. Before you begin customizing web pages and building out site content, you need to configure your homepage and blog posts page, as well as update your site's name, tagline, and the site icon. Step 6. Add important posts in pages. Websites are made up of pages. For example, the average business website includes a number of pages, such as the homepage, services, pricing, about, terms and contact. Step 7. Add content to your website. It's time to start adding interesting content. Whatever your niche, you want to make sure you include plenty of quality content for your readers. Remember to keep adding new content regularly. Step 8. Launch your website. Before launching a website, check for any issues that might affect viewing experience and usability, e.g. speed test, A/B testing, mobile, responsive test, broken link test, integration, SSL, etc.